Look, it's even waving. I can't whistle. Try. I tried. With one hand, that is. UFO again. Alright, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit like. I want you to like the video, subscribe, and click notify. Like, subscribe, and notify.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the people who brought this to you. Ghost Runner Air Shows, Redline Air Shows, Virgo Air Shows, Jason Stradler, Fireworks on Final FX, the Red Bull Air Force, Ben West, Shooter in Charge, Toro Bomb Squad, Matt Quinn, Drones, Starlight Aerial Productions, Robert Tiori, Lasers, Laser Encore, Jay Rabbit, Sound, In Concert Productions, Jim Crump, the Air Boss, Dare to Dream, and Dennis Dunbar, Executive Director, Air Shows and Attractions, Sun and Fun, and of course,
now they got to set off all the ones that didn't go off.
C and BC. Since 1952, they've been on a mission to make the skies a safer place. An epic aircraft defining a new standard in turboprop aviation. Ladies and gentlemen, let the organizers and the volunteers and everyone at Sun and Fun know how much you've appreciated that. Now wait for us to turn the lights up, and now you can turn on your glow sticks and celebrate the red, white, and blue of this great nation. And that's what it's been about. Sun and Fun, 52 red, white, and blue, 250 year celebration. We've got one more day. Air show announcing Brittany. The drones coming back to Earth. What a night.
Alright folks, the drones are landing. We're going to end this video and say thanks for watching. Have a nice evening, morning, night, whatever it is for you.
Of this day.